Enough said. Let's take on this super mega beast. We got our +5. We got our best board. Let's go. Beast mode! Guys, I'm a freaking beast. A godly one, too, and legendary. Because I am at almost 26 million points. You do not understand how sweaty I am right now. But it's a good sweat. Sweating means you're working hard, and that's what I'm doing, man. And my hands are shaking right now because I'm probably dehydrated and I need to eat food. Check that, I actually am dehydrated and need food. Which is why I'm going to have to crash pretty soon. But until then, let's take a look at the first place guy on the right side of your screen. He kind of looks like a Jonas brother. And his name is Carlos. I'm guessing he's Carlos Jonas, the cousin that never made it famous. It makes sense to me. Does it make sense to you? I don't know, man. But yes, I'm a legendary beast, God warrior mode right now. For life. And can't wait to see that new high score, man. I'd be more excited, but like I said, I need water and food right now. So I'm just deciding that perfect moment. And I think that moment is going to be... Let's just keep going. I'm in kind of a groove right now, so it's not so bad. Dude, I don't know how Carlos made it to 33 million. Oh god. See, my fingers are all sticky from the sweat. Dude, Carlos is gonna be so pissed when he sees this. But you know, in life you deal with people who are better than you. And that's what he's gonna deal with today. It's okay, man. I'm a legit beast. I'm just scared that, like, if I crash, it's not, the coin bonus won't take me over the limit, but I know it will. But this negative side is like, don't do it, KDM. Don't do it. And you know what? I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna risk it. Let's crash. Let's see it. Alright, let's open our boxes and check out my best score ever. I thought that was gonna be it. I was wrong. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm getting trolled right now. Here we go. Oh my gosh. How many boxes did I get? Dude. Really? Let me see the score, bro. Oh, let me see my score. Yes! 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 That's nice. That's real nice. Such a beast, dude. Such a beast. Let's see that leaderboard. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Slam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Carlos, that's what you get when you challenge KDM. Even though you didn't know I was coming up through the leaderboard, I feel like you're trying to challenge me. I'm number 1. That's why I chose King. And because it's King Thursday +5 multiplier bonus. But that's a different story. Yeah. Alright guys, let's see if my score remained the best score. And more importantly, let's see if I could take a proper screenshot. Here we go. Gotta be fast. That's what you get, Carlos. So Top Run India, week 74, KDM's coming for you.